Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool cutout video effect on CapCut. So select your video and then, I am going to just select cutout and I'm just going to select remove background. Then I'm going to go back, not click on anything, and I'm going to select canvas and I'm going to select background and I'm going to find one that is like super cute. Like maybe this one or something else. There are a few other cute ones to like use. For instance, this one or this one maybe, but you can't really see the like bears. It's better if it's a pattern. And something like that. If you want to add effects on the video though, it's going to be affected to the background too. So I'm just going to select this one for instance, and I'm going to select effects, video effects. Then I'm going to select texture, I think. And then I might choose like something like these folds one to create a more realistic paper effect on it. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!